So now I want to show you another thing with the currency API. Before we combine all our models to one model for the visualizations, we will need to do another manipulation for the currency model, which will make the virtual table we just created and the join to this table not relevant. But I wanted to show you that as well. So, in order us to be able to join this table afterwards, I want it to be pivoted to one row that will contain a column of USD, a column of CAD, and a column of euros. For that we have to do the pivot. We don't have a specific step that will pivot for us, so we will do the pivot with other steps by ourselves. We will use three cases, three ifs, and each of them will take into consideration one of the currencies and will bring it to a new column. I will show you and then it will be clearer. So first we'll take add a column, and I will call it add call USD, and we'll click on the plus. Name of the column will be USD, and the type will be decimal. Then we will open the expression editor. It will take a second. Alright, so we will take the if function, logical if. So our condition will be like this: if the code is equal to USD, bring the value, else bring null, bring nothing. So we'll take the code and we want it to be equal to USD, and then we want to get the value. If not, we want it to be null. So let's do preview. Okay, so you can see that in the USD for now we have here the 1 and these two rows got null. So we'll apply this, we'll refresh, and this is our condition. We will save, and then we'll do two more like this. This will be for the CAD. The name of the column will be CAD. The column type will be decimal. We'll open the editor. So we'll take the if the code is equal to CAD, then return the value. If not, bring null. I forgot here this. Alright, let's preview that. Perfect. And refresh this, we'll save, and we'll do one more. This for the euros. We'll take the add column plus, I want it to be EUR, and the type will be decimal, and open up the editor. So we'll use the if the code is equal to EUR, then we want the value. If not, we want it to be null. Let's preview this. Perfect. Alright, so now what we have to do is to group this table and to do a max over these three columns. So we will remain with USD with a number, CAD with a number, and Euro with a number as well. And we don't want to use the rest of the table. So we will do it, I will refresh, I will save. So we will do it with the group table step. We will call it group pivot. Right, so our table will be the join, the last table, and we want to hide all of these columns, and to the USD we want to take the max, also to the CAD and EUR we want to take the max. Perfect, we will save that. Let's preview. Alright, so we can see that we have the USD with the value. Actually, this is the base for our prices. And then we have the Canadian dollar, and then we have the euro rates. So that's what we wanted. So this is for this pivot. We will continue in the next videos.